the dreaded junk mail folder and how to avoid it. There are many fantastic benefits to having a solid email marketing strategy. Email marketing is cost-effective, and allows you to reach a vast audience. It is also a wonderful way to keep in touch with your current customer base. This video offers several great tips that can help you implement or improve your email marketing efforts. When following up to your customers via email, you could try following up with some kind of reminder. For example, you could add a Visit Today button onto your ad. In addition, the closing of the postscript could inform your customers to make sure they do not disregard the CTO. Before using email marketing, create a test email and send it to a friend or family member. Your loved one can see how the email looks and give you feedback. This way, if any changes need to be made, you can do it before sending the emails out to customers. To keep your email recipients engaged, use various sequences for different types of readers. For example, if you get an email address from a sale, that customer should receive a very distinctive welcoming email than a reader whose email you received from a lead. If readers aren't getting what they want from emails, then they simply won't read them. The easier it is to subscribe to your email newsletter, the more subscribers you will have. If you have a physical store, ask your customers for their email address when they make a purchase. If you sell on a website, ask them for their address when they are ready to check out. Email marketing offers several great advantages. It is a very cost-effective way to promote your business to a wide audience. It also enables your business to keep in contact with current customers, and form relationships. Use the tips that have been provided in this video, and make sure that your business has the best email marketing program possible. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.